Wani irin tuwo ne ina kama hada mutum.
Haka yake ja starch ne ai.
You can't even pull it. Come on now.
A da ba kana dauka tuwo kadan ai ka diba shi.
To yana da zafi.
They say food brings people together, but in this house, it also brings a lot of laughs. My dad tried traditional Niger Delta Starch Swallow for the very first time. Look at that stretch.
Yeah.
You can't even pull it.
He literally said it draws like gum, and trust a typical parent, the moment it got a bit too intense, yes, he had to scream, "It's hot" in Hausa. Stay tuned, because today we are making this legendary swallow from scratch. If you've ever been intimidated by making starch, don't worry. I used to be too, but today we are mastering it. All you need is high quality raw starch, a little bit of water to dissolve it, and of course some authentic palm oil to give it that gorgeous classic yellow color. You want to mix it all up until it is completely smooth before it even touches the heat. So this is me just dissolving the starch with my hand, and then I'm using a wooden spoon to mix it up. Then I'm going to be adding some of my palm oil. The amount of palm oil you add depends on how yellow you want it to be, but you don't want to add too much palm oil. So once this is mixed, I'm going to put it on heat, and this is where the work starts, the real arm workout starts. You have to stir it continuously on low to medium heat. At first, it looks like nothing is happening. Then suddenly, boom, it starts to lump up and turn translucent. Don't panic. Just keep turning and gathering it together until it forms that perfect, smooth, glossy, and stretchy ball. So you can see that the lumps are beginning to form. Just stir it. At this point, I had to involve my brother to use his manly strength to stir this, because this is a lot of work. I also added a bit more palm oil because I wanted a more vibrant yellow color. Then it was too thick. I added a little bit of hot water, and then I'm going to stir it. So you just keep stirring it. You need a lot of energy to do this. You can see how beautifully everything is forming together. And as you do this, it also cooks through. So I'm going to add a bit more water, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on low heat. This is about 5 minutes later, and look at that gloss. You just want to stir it continuously, beat it up until it is smooth. Our starch is ready to be paired with some rich steaming banga soup. I made a banga soup recipe, and I'm going to link it in the description below. Make sure you click and watch how to make amazing, delicious banga soup. I'm going to use a plastic bag to wrap up the starch just to preserve it and keep it in shape. And that is all. Very easy to make. Okay, my dad might need a little more practice with the stretch, but I'd say this was a massive success. If you enjoyed this video and my dad's hilarious reaction, hit that like button, drop a comment below, let me know if you've ever tried starch, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun food adventures and lifestyle content. See you in the next one. Bye.